Meet Sandy, a single businesswoman who not too long ago decided that the best way to care for her mom was that she should come live with her. And Sandy is relieved to hear that the Government of Canada wants to help caregivers, like her, save on their taxes with the Family Caregiver Tax Credit. And that will help with the expenses involved with taking care of a loved one. So how does it work? Sandy can receive the Family Caregiver Tax Credit of up to $300, in addition to the amount she can already claim for an eligible dependent. In order for Sandy to receive the full credit of up to $300, her mom must rely on her support due to a mental or physical impairment, and her mother must have little or no income. A non-refundable tax credit reduces the federal income tax that Sandy has to pay. However, if the total of Sandy's non-refundable tax credits is more than her federal income tax payable, Sandy will not receive a refund for the difference. Meet Rob, who cares for his son Tyler. Thanks to the Government of Canada, Rob is also eligible for the Family Caregiver Tax Credit, just like Sandy. Rob already receives a tax credit for dependent children, as Tyler is under the age of 18. And since Tyler requires more care and support than other children his age, Rob can receive up to an additional $300 tax credit. So how do Sandy and Rob save on their taxes? They take the family caregiver amount of $2,000, multiply it by 15%, the lowest income tax rate, and just like that, they'll save up to $300 each on this year's filing. Not only are Sandy and Rob eligible for a family caregiver tax credit, but so are many other caregivers of all types of dependents with a physical or mental impairment, including children under the age of 18, parents, spouses, common law partners, and grandparents. And the Family Caregiver Tax Credit will be indexed to account for inflation in future years. When Sandy files her tax return, she completes Schedule 5 to calculate the amount that she fills in on line 305. Sandy, and any caregiver who is claiming the Family Caregiver Tax Credit, must keep the doctor's note describing their dependent's impairment in case the Canada Revenue Agency asks to see it. And when Sandy files her taxes this year, she may save up to $300 on top of what she already claimed for her dependent mother. With all the money Sandy saved, she's bought her mother a new walker. Do you want to save like Sandy did? Here's a link to find out more about the Family Caregiver Tax Credit and how to claim it.